still walking down the Jewish section. A lot of construction going on back there, but see all the doors are all the same here. Some of the shops are open, some of them aren't open yet, but yeah, we're just by the side of the palace walls here that you can see are up top here. They're pretty high up there. Okay, and down here, down on this side here, they're still doing a lot of construction up here on the top here also. It's very nice, all the balconies up there. Just a lot of renovations, bringing it back to the way it used to be in the old days. You see the birds up there. We're in a dark section in here. There's more restoration going on up at the top. Wow, way up there. We've got some reinforcements of the wood to hold the walls up there, maybe. But yeah. Square sign means there's an exit. If it's not square, it's a dead end. The sign is right up there.
So narrow. This is one of the narrowest alleyways that we have in the Medina.
Well, it's kind of narrow here. We got another door, very narrow. We got some light here. So, and one man going at lengths for my followers here. So back in the darkness here. We're going to take another turn here, down this other place. Okay, still another thing up here. Yeah, we're following this here. I'm coming here. I gotta watch where I'm going, but I'm walking through here. Gotta watch my feet so I don't trip here. But the walls are very narrow here, so if you have somebody going the opposite way, it'll be a little tight squeeze here, and the walls are kind of